Hello everyone. I hope everybody is healthy and keeping safe. This is the time when we must prioritize our health over anything else. So please do take care of your health. Today I'm here to talk about the side effects that we are all facing because of the excessive use of hand washes and sanitizers. So COVID has got us into the habit of repeated use of hand washes and sanitizers. This is totally essential. We cannot take that away. But there are side effects which are associated with repeated usage of these hand washes and sanitizers. So what are these effects? The effects can vary from redness of the hands to allergies to peeling of the skin to scaling of the skin, developing fissures from where bleeding can occur. This essentially is called as chronic dermatitis. Now, why do this happen? Now, skin is the biggest organ of the body. It also acts as a protective layer, and once it acts as a protective layer, it has its own immune mechanism. The immune mechanism consists of having a lipid barrier, that is a mild oil barrier, and also having a lot of proteins inside it. Now, once you use these chemicals, either hand washes, which have increased amounts of harsh chemicals, and alcohol rubs, which has the property to dehydrate the skin. Now, once you start using these products, what happens is that the lipid barrier of the skin is broken down. Once the lipid barrier is broken down, the protein which is present in the skin cells, it also degrades, it also degenerates. Once that protective layer degenerates, the lower layers of the skin become more vulnerable to the effects of these chemicals and causing dehydration, causing dryness of the skin, leading to skin rash, which can progress to allergies, scaling, and hence bleeding. Now, who are more prone to this? These days, even normal people are having these skin problems. Usually, these problems used to occur in people who have dry skin because their lipid barrier is not that strong. They have a genetic tendency for dryness. But these days, we see an increased tendency of these hand issues in normal patients also. And more also, we have seen an increase in diabetic patients. So when you have a patient who is a diabetic, their immune system is already functioning at a very low level, and and the skin repair mechanism is hampered. In these people, also we see there is an increased tendency of developing the various problems which are associated with the hand washes and the alcohol rubs. Now, what you should do about it? Definitely, we cannot stop washing our hands or stop the use of alcohol rubs because it has become the need of the hour. Now, what you should do? First, pick up a solution which has a lesser amount of harsh chemicals. First thing. Second, make sure that your soap has some amount of humectant. Humectant means a substance which has the ability to retain water in the skin and does not totally strip away the moisture from the skin. Also go for more moisturizing kind of hand washes which will retain the inherent moisture in the skin, making the repair mechanisms possible. Also, make sure that you mildly dab dry your hands and then apply a heavy moisturizer on your hands each time you wash your hands. This will act as a protective layer to prevent from the injury which is going to happen at the next hand wash. Another hack which I can give you is to use an obstructive jelly like a Vaseline jelly at night. Now the reason is because when you are sleeping at night, you will definitely not be washing your hands repeatedly or you will be not using the sanitizers. So that is the time when the body also tries to repair itself. So what you can easily do is seal a good moisturizer on your hands and then seal it with a petroleum jelly. To make it more effective, use a cotton socks, pure cotton, not a mixed cotton or a polycotton, and put on your hands. They will act as mittens. Now the reason why I tell you to do this is this will make sure that the Vaseline jelly is not wiped up and it stays in contact with your hands. So what happens is this enables the underlying skin to heal in a much better and a faster way. So these are the small tips which we can try, and make sure that you follow on these so that your hands do not suffer the brunt of the mandatory use of these hand washes and sanitizers. If you have any questions, I will be happy to answer. Please do comment and let me know how do you feel about this video. I hope these small points will go a long way in helping you take care of the skin of your hands. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you so much.